Get acquainted with the 2008 Toyota Tundra. With less than 250,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Get the features you need and the comfort and style you've been hoping for. This well-equipped vehicle is an excellent value and will help you make the most of every drive. All you need to do is relax and enjoy the ride. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, heated mirrors, power passenger seat, power driver seat, multi-zone AC, rear-wheel drive, stability control, locking limited slip differential, pass-through rear seat, intermittent wipers. Don't miss the opportunity to enhance your driving pleasure while you take advantage of the latest advances in efficiency. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience.